Hi friends! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a natural, affordable, and effective way to grow your hair longer and stronger, today's video is for you. We're talking about egg shampoo for hair growth, a powerful protein-rich treatment that people have used for centuries to repair and strengthen their hair. Stay tuned, because I'll share the benefits, how to make it, how to use it, and key mistakes to avoid so your results are amazing. Benefits of egg shampoo. So why use egg shampoo for hair growth? Let's break it down. Protein power. Eggs are loaded with protein, which is the building block of hair. This helps repair damage, reduce breakage, and make strands stronger. Biotin boost. Egg yolks contain biotin, a vitamin essential for faster hair growth and thicker strands. Adds shine. Egg whites smooth down the cuticle, leaving your hair glossy and soft. Prevents hair fall. The nutrients in eggs strengthen roots, reducing excessive shedding. Moisture balance. The natural fats in eggs keep your hair hydrated while preventing dryness. When used regularly, egg shampoo can transform weak, lifeless hair into strong, healthy, and growing hair. How to make egg shampoo. Now let's talk about how to make it. Don't worry, it's simple. Crack 1 or 2 eggs into a bowl, depending on your hair length. Add a teaspoon of olive oil or coconut oil for extra nourishment. This is optional. Add a few drops of lemon juice to cut down on the egg smell. Whisk everything until smooth, and you've got your natural egg shampoo. How to use egg shampoo. Here's the right way to apply egg shampoo. Wet your hair with cool or lukewarm water. Never hot water, because that can cook the eggs. Massage the mixture gently into your scalp and hair, focusing on the roots. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes to let the nutrients soak in. Rinse thoroughly with cool water, then follow with a mild herbal shampoo if needed. You can use egg shampoo once or twice a week for the best results. Common mistakes to avoid. Before you try it, here are a few mistakes to avoid. Don't use hot water. It will cook the egg and leave a smell. Don't overdo it. Too much protein can make your hair stiff. Stick to once or twice weekly. Always rinse thoroughly. Leftover egg can weigh down your hair. Follow these tips, and you'll see stronger, shinier, and thicker hair in no time. So that's everything you need to know about egg shampoo for hair growth. If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural hair care tips, and share it with someone who's on their healthy hair journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.